we're gonna go outside to go play in some snow because it snowed last night, and we're from Alabama, but we came to Texas because in Alabama it hardly ever snows, but in Texas it snows, so we're gonna go play outside because we're super excited.
Yes. Oh, also it's snow on the trampoline.
Yeah, we have a trampoline in the snow, but we're gonna go to the front, but we might go to the back door. I'm not sure. So let's go.
Come on, Dream.
Where's she at?
Bye bye. Come on, Dream.
Upstairs. Is it cold?
Not really. It's kind of cold. Come on.
I don't know where Dream at. The snow went away. Melted
water,
bro.
bro.
I told you.
No.
Come here, Dreamy.
Oh, a rock. A rock. Oh my God.
Hold on, wait a minute, y'all. I can't see.
That's right here. Oh, we can play Snowball. I know you. I know you too. Now you're my friend. Yeah.
Les, you want to see something?
Y'all, can we stay on this side because the street thing is right there and then the number right here.
Oh, yeah.
Come here, Legend.
Your hands ain't cold?
No, not really.
It hurts.
Okay.
Stop! I hate you.
Watch your mouth. Let me see your hair. Put your hood on your head. That's what I told you. Oh, you okay? Legend. Here, put your hood on, Mama. Y'all help me.
Ouch!
It's cold.
The door is snowing right. Hey!
Okay, I'm not gonna play with y'all.
Right. Y'all supposed to be out here having fun.
The snow is too cold. She's not throwing on my neck.
Put it on her ears.
We're supposed to have a snowboard.
Ow. Not on our face.
You hurting her, Mama.
Same thing.
Let me see, Mama. You want to play with the snow? Look, touch it, Mama. Look, touch it.
Is this a
Yeah, snow.
Hey, there.
I tried to make a bunny.
There.
Oh, look. I made a little
No,
bunny right
here
there.
it is. Hey.
I made a snow bunny.
No, snow.
Wait.
You see the snow, Mama?
Here this.
You like it?
Yes. Here this.
He keep passing it.
Oh. No.
Buddy, get over here. Get over here, buddy. Get over here.
No. Wait. Ow, my butt.
This snow is cold.
It's so cold.
Oh, look, Mama. You got your snow?
Biggest snowball ever. Wait, I'm
See if y'all can do a little miniature snowball. Snow. Having fun?
No,
You don't like it?
my face hurt.
Your face hurt?
The sun hit me
Okay. Let me see. Where?
right here.
Okay. Play with the snow. Have fun. You don't want to touch it? Y'all hurry up. It's getting cold.
I threw too far.
I got two socks.
Oh, wow. Okay, wait. I'm trying to get you.
Y'all, do it over here. Why y'all can't do it over here?
That's clearing grass. And
You gonna miss.
Did he try to hit me?
No, he tried to hit me.
Over here. It's so cold.
The wind, it blew my head.
Oh, you missed. I missed.
London, you messing up my stuff.
I'm trying to make this
I want to make it.
Y'all both, it's enough snow for y'all to make your own.
Wait, it's cold.
I want to hey, see that thing?
Wait. Okay, so I got the bottom piece.
Snow.
Yeah. Let me see your notes, Mama. Oh, it's cold.
Have you seen this? Have you seen this, Bunny? Look, Bunny. Bunny. Wow.
Wow. Look, Mama. Look, Mama. Look, 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 Dree. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Let me choose.
My hands.
You want snow.
Take your shoes off at the door. Y'all can 5 more minutes out here. Better hurry up. Take your shoes off at the door.
So this is the base of this one.
So you gotta do another ball on top of there.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Legend?
I need some more snow.
Caitlin, all this snow. You just gotta.
Oh, my hand.
What you building, Legend?
I gotta finish it, but it's so cold.
What the ice? Don't step on mine.
I'm gonna just step on it. And I have to remake it.
Come over here, Dream. Come on.
Okay, wait.
Come on, baby. I gotta take pictures for y'all school. They say y'all want some pictures.
Huh?
Your school wants some pictures.
The school? What, girl? Let's go. So good.
Yeah, it's so cool. Not too hard, Kaylee. You're gonna switch it down. Is that your bottom piece or your top?
The bottom piece. It's so fun.
Look.
So cute.
You make it around.
Sorry.
Make it round. Like that. Like. Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, baby. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, now this is going to be the top. Top?
Now you can really just make a ball
Yay!
and then try to pick it up and put it on there.
Yeah. Okay, can I go to my friend's house and go say hi?
Put your hood on, King.
Okay, I'm trying.
It's something I wanted.
Huh?
It's something I wanted.
What?
It's something I wanted.
What is it?
It's something I wanted.
It's snow in the garden?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on,
Hit me right now. Hit me.
you hit me first. You're gonna run.
Don't hold me cute. I hit me now.
Alright. You missed. Ugh.
Legend getting the good balls. Let me see, Legend. Where you going with it?
I'm going to make a snowman.
You making a snowman? Where you making one at? Aw, you making you a snowman?
He's bad. Oh, I was looking for
Y'all be careful with that water. There's a lot of snow back here.
Yeah, I'm trying to make a little pad for my little man. And then
For your little man.
yeah. And then I need some stitch for his hands.
Okay.
No, you need carrots for that man. I'm gonna go make a girl. Hey. Yeah.
Okay, really, 5 more minutes, y'all.
Here's this.
Well, y'all can stay out here by yourself. You try to hit mommy?
Mom, look. I got the bottle.
Mom, this is a nice little shape.
Yeah, I like it.
But this the back of the head is alright.
Okay.
I'm gonna kind of make him some hair too.
Huh? Oh, you trying to hit mommy? Let me see your nose. Oh, it's cold, mama. Ooh, it's cold. Ah! Huh?
Who did it? Was you or mama?
Can you step on my snowman? He's not gonna make his hair.
Ready? Ready?
Okay.
Go.
Oh,
Ready?
come see my snowman.
Okay, here I come.
My snowman is really good.
Yeah.
3. 1, 2,
Set. Go.
Look at how little cute
It's
Snowball.
cold.
1, 2,
Okay, come on, Legend.
3, 4.
London, walk her back when you come back. I don't walk in that water. Good job, Caitlin.
Thank you.
Good job. Let me see. Put it on there now.
I got the snow.
You patted it down. Oh, shit, Caitlin. Okay. Okay. Now you need a ball on top of it. Because you can round that bottom. Oh, it's cold.
I got one of the sticks for the ground in case I can make a snowman.
Okay.
Oh, that's not pretty.
Look at your little mini snowman. Oh, so cute.
I'm gonna make
Oh,
another
look at
one.
this snowman. Look, they made a big one. It is cold.
Mine's just very small. Hold on, I gotta get it shaped.
Oh,
Oh, poor baby.
What?
He dropped his little ball. That's why I told y'all to do it over here while y'all carrying it across the thing.
Make another snowman. It's gonna be a big giant. Hey, cat.
Okay, now I gotta get one more turn.
Let me try to help them because they need help.
No. Oh.
Hold on, guys. I have to get some snow from here. And it's probably tiny. Okay. Oh, so cold, so cold, so cold, so cold, so cold.
David is Weaver.
So cold. So cold. So cold. Whew. It's so cold.
I'm gonna mess it up.
So little. No, don't. Legend. It's so tiny.
It's cold though.
Lick my other
And y'all look at my hands.
Caitlin, I got you a ball right here. You can use this. Okay, you guys, I'm going in. My hands are so cold. Okay,
It's fun.
This is a video when I gotta do a snow angel. I'm gonna do a snow angel, guys.
Oh, y'all making real balls.
Yeah, we have to make a small ball then a big ball. Okay. Everybody look at me.
be careful, Caitlin.
Look, Mom, come on.
You gotta pat it down.
I'm
Okay.
gonna do a snow angel.
Wait. I think the bottom is gonna fall, Caitlin. Let King hush.
I'm being honest.
It's gonna fall, Caitlin. Put the head on.
I'm just being honest.
Bye.
take some whole shirts off. Huh, let's see what they did. They did better. I'm gonna have to. Cause look at that compared to hers. This is actually cute. Oh, this is cute.
Okay, Caitlin. There you go, girl.
Look at that as compared to yours.
Shut your mouth. She's doing good. Caitlin, you better get your sticks and stuff. Hurry up.
Y'all need a stick. Huh? You got one for there.
No, where you got your sticks from, Monday? Not out my trees. Go look in the yard, Caitlin. Don't get off my tree. Don't.
Check on the wall.
Let me see your nose, Mama. Here goes some over here, Caitlin. On the floor.
Yes, with the cold ball.
Right there, Caitlin. There's her one. You cold?
And then we can play some more.
I'm going in. It's
We're not
freezing.
going in. Okay. I'm gonna do the snowy. I need no hands. Everybody, like and subscribe for this. Come on. I'm trying to make a big ball. Okay, guys, look. Okay, y'all look. What's it? Oh, let me do it. Like and subscribe.
What, baby?
Okay.
I did mine a little bit, but cause it was cold. So this.
I got some eyes. I need to make a nose.